Hi, welcome to Foodie. Today we're going to do a easy peasy recipe, a dip. In Texas, at least in Houston, it's when you go to Mexican restaurants, a lot of times they'll give you, your normal red sauce and chips. But some places will give you a green sauce, and it's not guacamole, although it does have some avocado in it. Um, I don't know who the original was. I know Ninfa's, which is one of the original Mexican restaurants here that actually invented the fajita. And then we have a Gringos up the street that we really like that has a really nice green sauce. So we're going to duplicate that here today. Let's get started. All right, I've got a pot here that's full of water. I have 3 green tomatoes, which our Kroger's carries these, so it's really kind of nice because I like fried green tomatoes also. So you have 3 green tomatoes. I want to have 3 what they call tomatillos. Here's what they look like in the store. It looks like almost like a little mini pumpkin. It's got like a paper covering, but it looks like a green tomato, although I'm told it's really totally different, a different plant species. These do not get red, they stay green, and they have a little more acidity, so it's almost like a lemony taste to them. So you'll peel this off and rinse it off really good because it's a little bit sticky underneath this covering. So I'm going to cut just the top ends of these off, get that stem off of there. I don't know that you have to do that because we're going to put all this stuff in the blender and mix it all up. So into our pot of water, we're going to put our 3 tomatillos and our 3 green tomatoes. I'm using 1 big jalapeno, and I'm also going to leave the seeds and membranes in there. So we'll put that in there, and then 3 cloves of garlic. We're going to put this on a stovetop, bring it to a boil, and boil it for 15 minutes. While we're waiting for tomatoes and tomatillos to boil, I've got 3 avocados, and I picked these out just today from the store. I wanted them nice and ripe and soft. All right, so cut them in half. We'll take the seed out. Make sure you get that little core or that stem off. And we're going to scoop out the flesh and put it into a food processor. All right, I've got about, I don't know, 4 or 5 little clump of fresh cilantro. And I've tried to cut, the thick stems off and just get mostly leaves. We'll add 1½ cups of sour cream. All right, my tomatoes and tomatillos have boiled for 15 minutes. I've tried to let them cool off a little bit. It'd probably be best if you let these completely cool off. Because what I'll have to do now is probably put this in the refrigerator for a couple hours to get it nice and cool. on the jalapeno. I'm going to put in half right now. Oh, I'll put in 3/4. Then we'll taste it and see how hot it is. A little bit of salt. You don't have to put salt. Okay, we're ready to go. Okay. I actually blended that for quite a while. So we can taste it now and make sure it's got enough salt and see how spicy and hot it is. Wow, really good. And it's got plenty of heat. Yeah, these jalapenos are really hot here this last couple of years. Actually, it's pretty good warm. I'm going to spoon some of this into a little serving bowl. And I can put that in the refrigerator and it'll cool off pretty quick. Great for a party. All right, let's put this in the refrigerator. Get it to cool off and then we'll get some chips and we'll try it. This is our green sauce
Avocado.
like we get at Gringo's.
Avocado.
Well, it's
Good. Really good.
a little bit spicy.
Little bit spicy, a little bit something lemon.
Yeah, it's interesting. It's the tomatillos. There's no lemon or lime in it. The tomatillos have a very citrus taste.
Good. I like it.
It's nice and thick too, which is good. Creamy, smooth. A little bit hot. Yeah, it's good. Actually, I think this is maybe better than Gringo's. I haven't been to Ninfa's in a real long time, so there you have it. Great green sauce. It probably serves it. I've got at least a quart there, I think. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Dead Foodie right over there. Thank you for watching.